Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. I'm from Hong Kong. My name is Oceans. We are Mapxus. So today I would like to introduce to you Mapxus. Mapxus is the best indoor map and positioning data infrastructure. It's a very simple and smart technologies. I would like to also extend the topic of ESG. How can you leverage AI and your existing ICT infrastructures to achieve the most simple and easy scalable infrastructure for all kinds of buildings that we are going to solve, and we hope, Mapxus anywhere. So let's see, why ESG? I'm not going to talking about the greenhouse or the carbon footprint, no. We are now in smart cities. We are facing the big problem that we have a lot of bad parts of buildings. But we have a huge initiatives, demands on, no matter after COVID-19, we need to have handling the hygiene factors, environmental friendly, equality, sustainability of the buildings, the corporate CSR, as well as the governance policy, etc., for the smart building planning. So the challenge is protect properly, low tech. Okay, most of the building is not power plants. They don't have very enough resources to build the infrastructures, the BIM as well as. So a lot of companies facing the problems. They worry about initial investments and very no return on investment. Then how is the best technology for them to integrate all of their existing system to digitalize and then perform ESG? And nobody knows that, even though governments. No policy, no regulations, no standards. So let's make a wish. What you need is very low OPEX, CAPEX, but high ROI. Very smart, that means advanced, but very simple. Everyone can use it. Every building can apply it, and then global standards. I don't want to be a proprietary monster to your buildings. So come true, Mapxus. It is the best digital twins for you. We leverage AI, existing infrastructure, low booth tool, not necessary to manage heavy BIM. You see we have a very detailed digital map to your facility management, but also human is very important, so we have indoor positioning without hardware. Use your existing Wi-Fi. So very simple to understand, just like Google Map, digital map positioning, and indoor street view, we can do this in indoor in a very high scale. So digital positioning, digital infrastructure is our service to the buildings. Second, just like Google Map, the same. Uber subscribe Google Map to become Uber. So we open our technology as a SDK subscription for all kinds of applications. You can use not only for single building, but we are GIS, we are global standard, lambda 2, lambda 2, 4. Can be understood by any problem, any system. So we can have one application for multiple ROI. From Gartner, from Apple, Kawasaki, they are our proven. We are outperformed from different parties. We are the first indoor map program partner of Apple in Asia Pacific, as well as we are the only one in Taiwan. We work with Kawasaki. Last year, we built 1,000 buildings. This exhibition hall, we count one building. We can build 1,000. So how to do this? Just like Mitsui, use it for monetizations. This year, 200 buildings, 63 outlets. One is just like Lalaport of Mitsui outlet, okay? We can make this for single app for all buildings in Japan. While you are going inside, then there is positioning. Every month, few millions monthly active users. They are footprints. And then every day, 10 million location-based big data. You don't have before, but right now you have. Very simple to integrate, just like integrate Google Map SDK. But not only for monetization of big data. Remember, ESG, including social and governance, it is very difficult to achieve. But we can help you to digitalize your buildings for the utilization of any kinds of facility. That means barrier-free navigations. So in Hong Kong and Singapore, right now using our technology for by-person wheelchair user, very easy to get into a startup without any assistance. It is your social and governance, your responsibility to make your building much more better. And then some company also use it for their ESG report, corporate report. So how big is the market? It is huge, unsatisfied blue ocean market. Just like Japan, there are over 9 million of buildings. So we offer our technology to serve different partners to do that. In Concours, we are not heavy investment. It is very easy. Per building, per month, maybe just 100, 200 USD, then you can achieve this. And then we are not just digitalize the building. We support human. We are not background checking, not using hardware to do background checking. It is active. It is for better user experience for barrier free. And the system is not proprietary. It is global standard. Lambda 2, Lambda 4, everyone can be integrated. Lastly, I want to say it. I want to invite everyone to you. Traditional $2 million US, maybe we can compete the exhibition hall digital twins. Right now, I promise I can give you 1,000 buildings for the cities. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mapxus.
Hi, can you tell us what's the average sales cycle for your clients?
In general, from our practice, from POC to implementations, traditionally may draw you 1 year or even more. But we can do in very short period of time, maybe 3 months or 1 month. Why? Because while I'm going to implement one building, because I leverage the AI and also the existing infrastructures. So I can implement one building, maybe just 2 weeks. Then you can see my performance as a UAT. Then you know that you can implement this in different types of building. So just like the video I saw here, office building, train stations, Osaka Underground, the theme park, we can complete this within 2 or 3 weeks. Then you see it. You know that you can implement this in just like Missouri, 200 buildings, 63 outlets within a year. So in Japan, we did 1,000. That means it is very scalable, very, very scalable. And the initial investment relatively low. That means the considerations of implement, the change resistance also very low. I hope I can answer your questions. In some project, maybe I can compete 1 month, something like that, I can already done a group of buildings.
Max?
Yeah, I had 2 questions.
Thank you very much.
As far as I know, you are a project-based company right now. Can you transfer to a product-based company?
Basically, we are not a project-based company. We are already a product-based company. In our product family, including a very strong digital production pipeline, we have our own AutoCAD software. We have our SDK, every company using this. So, and then I want to say, because of our products, so we are not doing project. I share my products as a technology franchising to my Japanese partner, to my Singapore partner, Indonesia partner. We consolidate our technology, they can do the business. So it is very easy for a lot of companies using our technology. You can think about our scale is already in the same architecture, just like Google Maps. So we have our map in town, we have our SDK, very easy to implement. Repeat and repeat, repeat and repeat. So we don't have a very strong project team, but we have a very strong product team.
I guess you have second question?
Can you explain more about your technology barrier?
Right now, the technology barrier will be education because it is a relatively new technology. Even though in Taiwan, I talk with a lot of companies, they may understand traditionally we need BIM, traditionally we need to install booth tool, maybe much advanced UWB, but they don't know that, okay, leverage your smartphone AI and the different sensor in your smartphone, you can achieve the same in a larger scale. So sometimes it is not technology barrier. Technology we have already overcome. It is about how to share the technology to the other parties. Yeah, thank you very much for your questions.
Yeah, we're also about time. Thank you so much, Mapxus. The time's up. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.